We're having our new couch delivered from Simpli Home, and we're very excited.
This is some juicy plastic.
Well, first off, the packaging is great. Not a single dent on this box. Really nicely branded. Here's a space where it's going to go in the house.
Anybody home?
The packaging is actually extremely good. It's not ready yet, Wilder.
What?
I can tell already that the legs are super high quality. Everything about this is very, very polished so far. And it comes with a center support leg, which you don't often see with couches that are a little bit on the smaller size. That's a nice touch. Now it's time to attach those legs. Let there be light. These are very, very high quality legs. Now it's time to flip this bad boy over. So we're sitting on the new sofa. What do you think, Wilder?
I think it's great.
I think it's great too. Has very, very deep seats, but not too deep so that you are like leaning all the way back. A lot of good lumbar support. The cushions feel really, really nice. I think the fill material is of very high quality from what I can tell. This leather is very, very durable, and that makes me happy because... All right, Wilder, give it a jump. These side pillows, they're called bolster cushions. These are very nice and chunky, so you can really lay your head down on this nicely. And going back to the leather, the grain is really, really nice, and you see a lot of these natural markings, which is a sign of a nice quality leather. As I said before, it has a pretty deep cushion, which is nice, but it's not for everybody. I'm 5'11", so I'm sitting quite comfortably, and I like to lean back like this, but if somebody needed a little bit more lumbar support, well, looky here, we have these great bolster cushions. Stick it right behind your back, and there you have a lot of extra support there. So I've seen a lot of couches in my day, and I think this one definitely passes all of my quality tests. It's a really nice piece of furniture. Threw a toss pillow on there. Not so sure about that yet, but we'll get to gussying this up and decorating it a little bit more. It's perfect for my office space. Thank you, Simpli Home!